Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are diving into Odoo project management, a complete walkthrough covering setup, dashboards, profitability, collaboration, and everything in between. Whether you are project manager, business owner, or ERP consultant or learner, this video is for you. Let's grab a coffee and get started the video. What is Odoo project management? Odoo project management uses a system called Kanban, which is a visual method to organize your work. Projects are broken down into tasks, and each task is placed on a board showing which state it's currently in, like to do, in progress, or done. Did you know this thing here? The word Kanban comes from Japanese and means visual board. So don't waste your time, just move into the project management tool. If you haven't downloaded it, please download, or I'm moving here in the project management, and then the Kanban view, it is getting up here like this. And in the task there are a lot of stages in the each project. So I'm clicking the project, there is stages like requirement gathering, designing, development, and there is a task, all these things called task. So whatever the stages I have created here, the requirement gathering, design, development, all this getting appear. But there are global stages as well. Just you have to move into the settings here and project stages. And then if I save here and configure stages like this, you get to know about it. So I'm adding one more stage here, like done, cancel, or exit, we can mention here like this. So when I move to the in the project, you can see like this getting up here to do something is getting hidden here. So I'm just moving. So after knowing the task and project creation, now I am moving into the project, how to create a new project in Odoo. So we haven't covered the project creation yet, so I'm moving into the new project. So whatever name you can give here, I already created the project. So first of all, I'll move into the settings, and now I will discard all these things. Then it will be comes whatever I have created the project here. So I'm moving into the metal project here. So there is basically all stages. I am moving in these three dots. After moving into the three dots, you can get the to customize a project. Click there are three dots on the project card. This opens four options or multiple options like view, reporting, and settings like this. What means view? Like in this view, in you can see your task, milestones, and documents. We will go through the all these things later in this video only. And in the reporting, you can view the progress and performance starts. In color, you can add color tag for quick visual ID. In settings, you can get the update project name. You can update the project name, customer, tax, manager, deadlines, allocated hours, and many more things. So you can also mark a project as favorite. So how you can do that? You have to just move into the like this. You can directly mark the favorite or remove it from the favorite here. So now the time to understand the configuration project setting. So whatever the project setting will be there, we have to go through. So I'm moving in the project setting. In the project setting, I move into the settings. There are visibility, like who will be viewer of your project. So there is an invited internal users, private, only followers, and admin can view and get the access to view the project here. So I just kept here. You can easily get to see here. And later on, all internal users. So I'm moving there, and what it means, everyone inside the company can access it. And later on, I'm moving here, invited portal users and all internal users. So what it means here, there is a public, basically internal users see all tasks, portal users see only follow tasks. If you want to and also one more information I want to give here. If you click on the public invited portal users only, then share project link will get appear. So if you want to invite external user, set visibility to public, so you have to click on the public. then only you can share the project. Either share the public link, so directly you have to move the share project, and you can copy this link and you can share with anyone, or you can add a line like this. I have added the added Azure interior, and you can even edit the this access mode, read or limited access, whatever it will be there. So after this, what it means, if someone is you are giving the read option, that means anyone can view only. Edit with limited, edit only followed task. If you directly given this like this edit, that means full edit access. So if you wanted to remove someone, just go back, I mean in the share project only, you can directly check this trash box option. This click or check on this trash icon, it will be get deleted. So internet users can still access a task via direct URL, but only if they are followers. So now the time to know the schedule activities. Actually, we are going through the different features and activities, how we can understand all these things. So I'm moving into the project activity. So there is a basically activity. I have actually added one upload document, so I'm removing here. So this clock icon, I mean show activities, is there. You just have to click and schedule an activity. So to do, I'm just moving into the call, and I'm opening the calendar to get a call like this. So I'm moving there. The activity call is getting scheduled, so I am moving to another one like meeting and open calendar. So just like meeting icon is getting visible. So like this, once there is a summary, due date and assign employee, also you can directly assign to any employee also. You can check it now like this, you can assign to anyone here. And once scheduled the meeting or anyone, the icon updates to reflect the activity which we have gone through yet. And now, so now the time to understand about the top bar customization, quick access tools. There are a lot of tools which you can access regards of the projects here. So every project has a top bar with fast access tool, link records. So what you have to do in first move into the project here, then you have to just cancel this one, all the task getting appear right now. So I am moving this slider, clicking after this slider. There are a lot of things which is actually relevant to the project. So select what to display. So whatever you will be get check invoices, vendor bills, timesheet, documents, it is all this getting appear. So I'm taking one example here about the timesheet here. So whatever the things I'll be give, it will be get displayed. So I have already given all these times, like there are few employees, one employee Mujib, who actually work on the project. So whatever the time he taken, time spent in this, we have already given that. So according to the invoices, vendor bills and documents, you can get configured. Just you have to save this one. It will be get in the entire project profitability budget, all these things will be get appear and involved. So you can also create custom buttons as well. So I am moving in the this drop down, in drop down. So I have to select the any, like my timesheet, added this filter, then I click on the project filter. So it is getting appear the, I am moving again here. So just status. So according to this both filter and group by, all these things getting appear. So what I am doing here, I want to just name it SMR selection. Whenever I wanted to show or display these things, I have to just click on this SMR selection only. Don't need to check again and again all these things multiple times, right? So what I have to do here, I'm just removing this one. So once I click on SMR selection, my previous configuration, according to my previous configuration, everything is getting displayed. You can check here like this. So this helps you stay focused without switching apps. So now the time to understand the project dashboard or full overview about it. So just I'm removing here and moving into the dashboard here. So now you can go from this breadcrumb also, otherwise you directly you can move into the this project, and you can check there is a dashboard as well. So I'm unchecking all and staying with the dashboard. So I'm moving into the dashboard. So what is dashboard basically? So the project dashboard allow you to get a comprehensive overview of your project status. Like there will be different things will be get added, so then only you get to know what is current status of your project. So the project dashboard gives you a complete overview of task account, log time sheet, planned hours, milestones, and there are multiple things. How you can configure, go to the project, and then whatever we have gone through yet to move into the dashboard, you can get to know. So I am moving into the new one. There is a status, you can always tag according to their status, it is on hold or it is done. And you can even manually give the 50% completed its process and who will be responsible for this. And there are summary you can give, and if there is activities, it will be getting appear here like this, milestones and profitability. We will get configured later on all these things. And what is this status called as? Project updates to track project health regularly. So now the time to understand the milestones. This section is only visible if milestones have been enabled in the project setting. So now I have to move into the project setting here. So I'm just closing this thing and moving into the project setting. So in project setting there is a milestone, so I just enable this one and click save. After this, what I have to do, I have to move into the projects. Taking any project, just I follow these dots and move into the milestone. You can easily get to see the design and development. There is a two milestones we have taken. If like it is overdue, like today date is 6th, this is 4th deadline should there. So according to its deadline, it is overdue, then it is getting in the red color, otherwise it will be get appear in the green color as well. So milestone help keep the team aligned on progress. So what is the current status of the project, how entire team get aligned on a specific progress. And also there is a one more feature, budgets. Like if a budget has been set for the project, its status and related details are displayed in this section. Click add budget to create a new budget for the project. So for budget displaying, we have to move into the accounting module here. In accounting, you have to move into the settings. In settings there is a budget will be there. So I have already enabled that thing, so I'm now enabling here. Now I am moving into the project. So when I click here and click in the dashboard, you can easily get to know the budget is there. So you can add any budget, like your project name you can add according to project name, period you have to mention, and responsible person you have to mention. If there uh, 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 this is a budget name and this is the project name, so you have to save and close. So I already did all these things, so that's the reason it is getting appear here like this. And also one more feature we have to understand in this, that is profitability. So tracking the project profit, it is completely crucial part, because we will be get lost if we won't track the project profitability. So when handling billable projects, it's essential part to determine whether your projects are turning a profit. So for billable project, profitability is completely crucial. So in the dashboard, look at the where this part, right side. So in right side there is a this profitability is getting visible, right? Revenue and customer invoices, total revenues is getting there. So how you can configure all these things? First you have to move into the project. So I am moving into the project setting here. In the project setting there is a setting. In setting there is a sales and invoicing. So you have to keep labeled here by billable manually. If it is not billable, then no profitability will be uh, required for this. So I kept and enable this one. Then you have to save. I already did this one, so no need to save here. Then I have to move into the dashboard. So when I move into the dashboard, there is a profitability is getting here. like customer invoices, whatever is given there. Like I have previously shown you in you have to move into the any project. In project there is a smart button. In smart button there are a lot of features getting appear corresponding to the specific project which you are dealing. So you have to fill all those things like timesheet, and there is a vendor bills also, there is a customer invoices also, sales orders also. So whatever would be required, you have to fill all filled things will be getting appear corresponding to the project. And one more thing in last we have to understand here, there is a three column basically here. So what is that? Expected, to bill and build. What means expected? Predicted values. Whatever you have configured and you have given, you can expect this much of value. And to bill, or you can say to invoice, deliver but not invoiced. So after invoicing, you can get in the build. That means already invoiced or billed. So the exact value which you can get in the build only. So all these things we have discussed. Then we good to go to end up this session here. So record must be linked to the project and analytic account to appear. So this is now I am wrap up the entire discussion. Thanks for watching. So we have just covered the full end-to-end flow of Odoo project management, including the Kanban boards, project setup, dashboard reporting, budget, milestone, and tracking profitability. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Have any questions or want us to cover a specific topic? Drop in it in the comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.